Our interactive solutions can be used in a wide variety of industries, including architecture, real estate marketing, product design, urban planning, and many more. Not only one, but thousands of units from single house to a whole city to every corner. See how much light enters an apartment at a given time of day, or see the view at night from every aspect of the future home. Increase efficiency and accuracy in the decision-making process of both partners and clients. Access from anywhere, running on all platforms: web, mobile, touchscreen, virtual, mixed, and augmented reality. In the top 5 worldwide for the interactive category of the renowned CG Architect Awards. Seeing truly is believing. Sell and buy with confidence.